With less than $25 you can get this earbud right here, which will give you up to 8 hours worth of music playtime straight from the earbud alone, with additional 32 hours from the charging pack. It comes with 4 mics for noise cancellation. It supports fast charging, meaning from zero you can charge it for just 5 minutes and get up to 1 hour. It comes with its own application which can be used to adjust the control or modify them, and also adjust the way it sounds. We are going to unbox this baby right here and see how it feels. I'm going to review it. And also, without too much further ado, let's get started with the main point of this video.
Okay, as I said, one top up means 8 hours of playback straight from the earbud. T13 just need no power bank at all. 40-hour ultra long battery life. That amounts to 9,600 short videos, 600 tracks, 20 movies. So let's open and see what's inside this. So as you can see, this is the manual. It comes in English and Chinese. And from this manual right here, you'll find instruction on how to operate your earbuds and how to better utilize it, including the app. So it comes with 2 extra pair of ear tips. There is one already attached to the earbud inside the case, so making it a total of 3. So it's mini, mid and max. So it comes with USB Type-C. It uses USB Type-C actually. And this is the case right here. You can see how glossy it is. I don't like it glossy, I love it matte. So let's open and see. Wow, the inside is matte but the outside is glossy, and the earbud themselves are glossy, which I don't like. So we'll have to pull these stickers right here so as to allow us make contact with the case and charge. It sits perfectly in the case and doesn't fall off or wiggle. And as you can see here, you can see there's no shakes or anything. The build quality of this are insane, and there is also a button inside, which will come to that later. So as you can see, the inside is actually matte but the outside is glossy, which as I said I don't like. And you can just touch them. They are splash proof, not waterproof. And the build quality, as I said, is nice. When you press this button, it gives you an idea of how many % you have left. Green means above 90, blue means below 90 but more than 50, and red means less than 50. So we head over to the application. You go to your Play Store or App Store and type in Qcy. This is the app right here. Download it and you'll have to register as a first user. So we open the app, and as you can see, I've already filled in my details. I've logged in, and yeah, there's a welcome screen. You tap on add device. After tapping on add device, you open the case and take the earbuds out. So I'm going to do that one by one because obviously my other hand is occupied. So as I take out one of the earbuds, my phone will automatically search for it, and as you can see, there is the model. I've connected to it. Allow while using this app. And one good thing about it is that it shows you the percentage of each of the earbud, and this is the other one. I'm going to connect it. So after connecting it, I'm keeping them outside so as not to disconnect, because as soon as you place them back, it's going to turn off automatically. And from the app as well, you can edit how, or you can modify the sound that you get, that is the output. So using the default, actually I experience sharp, more like a noise like sound. So I just have to set it to bass because I'm a bass lover, and that fixed it for me. If you're not convinced, you want to customize, you can do that. As you can see, you just tap on the plus icon beside them and add it. If you have additional Qcy devices, you could just tap on the plus at the top right hand corner and add your other earbuds as well. This application is actually nice because from the app itself you can also customize the touch or the controls. As you can see what single tap does on either of the earbuds, and likewise double tap and triple tap, and as you can see it has game mode as well. And here is find my earbuds, which is actually nice. This is the sound that it makes when you try to find your earbud. It's actually not so loud, and there is also a map result of perhaps it just gives a hint of where your earbuds are. but I found the sound actually helpful.
This is the mic test in my room without any noise. I'm going to test it. So testing, mic 1 2 3, testing, mic 1 2 3, mic test without any noise 1 2 3. This is now the mic test with rain noises, simulated rain noises. As you can hear, simulated rain noises, and this is what it sound. I want to test the noise cancellation. Testing mic 1 2 3, testing mic 1 2 3, testing mic 1 2 3. The Qcy T13 is arguably the best earbud under $30 US. I don't care what you say, but compare it and contrast. I'm going to compare it with the Halo GT1 Pro, which I have been using for a while. And if you found this video tutorial helpful, ensure you subscribe to my channel and also share it with your friends who might find it helpful. I love you guys so much. Do have a nice day.